There is no question that losing weight is a difficult task. To successfully complete the challenging process of reducing weight, a lot of hard work, self-control, dedication, and drive are required. It has become very difficult to focus on our health in the busy and frantic modern world. Thus, for many of us, gaining weight is a constant source of worry. There are many dietary tricks that are advised for weight loss, with the cucumber diet being one of them. The cucumber diet helps you lose weight quickly by cutting back on your caloric consumption. The cucumber diet is a weight loss plan that claims to enable you to shed 7 kilograms between 7 and 14 days. It suggests limiting the amount of other fruits and vegetables and replacing the majority of foods with cucumbers. It primarily consists of cucumbers, along with some items high in protein such as eggs, chicken, fish and almonds. Guidelines for the diet. The cucumber diet doesn't have any such set standards, regulations, or norms. The only advice is to include cucumbers in the majority of your meals. The diet suggests eating a cucumber whenever you feel hungry. You can eat as many cucumbers as you'd like, and still be in a calorie deficit because cucumbers are low in calories. Additionally, because cucumbers are poor in protein, the plan suggests combining them with other meals high in protein such as eggs, lean meat, cottage cheese and almonds. How effective is it for weight loss? The cucumber diet has a very low calorie intake and is likely to cause temporary weight loss. But most people gain the weight back after finishing a rigid diet like this one, especially if it didn't teach them how to make smart food choices, like portion control and nutrition label reading. Therefore, it is best to eat a varied diet to reduce weight and enhance your health. Eat as many different whole grains, fruits, veggies, healthy fats, and lean plant-based proteins as you can. Potential dangers of the diet. 1. Even though cucumbers are nutritionally incomplete, they do contain a modest amount of nutrients. Long-term adherence to such a diet may result in nutrient deficits and health issues. 2. The diet calls for about 800 calories per day, and some variations are even more limited, which could cause the metabolism to stall. The body responds to famine in a way. 3. Cutting out meals can also deplete the body's energy, which can cause anger, weariness, a sense of deprivation and even despair. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.